how to change the map scale in QGIS. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change the map scale in QGIS. So what do you do first? The first step is for you to launch the QGIS app on your mobile device, and then once you've done that, you'll be brought to the page where you've seen the map, and then below your map you see other options. So once you can see this, all you need to do is to bring down this box. And then once you bring down the box, by the right side of the screen, you will see a plus and minus icon. By moving this plus and minus sign, you will be able to change the map scale. So by the time you click on minus, you can see that the map scale has changed. That is to zoom out. Then by clicking the plus icon, the map scale will also change. And then you can focus on more details on the map. So you'd be the one to select what exactly you want. You want the map scale to be farther from you. You want to get a larger grasp of your environment. Just click on the minus button and to zoom out. But if you want a closer view, click on the plus sign and you'll be able to zoom in. So this way the map scale will be changed back and forth. So this is how you can change the map scale on your QGIS account. Thank you for watching and have a good day.